Hi students, today we are going to look at the third chapter of the uh, second standard elementary mathematics. Okay, right. Subtraction, two digit numbers. Okay, subtraction. Raja had 37 papers and he gave 14 of them to Meena. He had 37, he gave 14 to Meena. Okay, how many papers are left with Raja? How to tell? These are 30 and 7 empty papers are there, right? Now you gave 14 from here, 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Well, how many left? 20, 1, 2, 3, 23. Okay. Now write the mathematical sentence. Write a mathematical sentence. 37 minus 14. Let's think about how to calculate it. There are ways to calculate, right? Not simply by putting it in this form. It's not necessary always. Okay. So write 37 and minus 14. What you will get? 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Let's see what he says. I count and remove one by one 14 from 37. Because 14 is 110 and 4 ones, I remove these from 3 tens and 7 ones. Okay, this is quite difficult way, and this is okay. It's somewhat easier way, but still, when the number is quite large enough, both methods are equally difficult to apply, right? So it's better to follow a method which is quite useful and quite easy also. Okay, while calculating how to do it, let's see. Mm-hmm. Right. See here, 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. What about 3 minus 1? 2. Okay. Right. That's it. 7 minus 4, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. This is the easiest way. Okay. Let's think about how to subtract 10 from 47. We will follow the same method as usual. Okay. Right. 7 minus 0 is 7 and 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. Subtract the respective places. Right. Uh, like this. Okay. Ones place from ones place, tens place from tens place. Let's think about how to subtract 25 from 45. Okay, that is also pretty simple. Right, 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. We followed the same method, right? Yes, there is no ambiguity here. Right, do the following subtractions. Okay, right, 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 22. Right, what about this? 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so always proceed from the right. Okay, rightmost, that is ones place. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, right. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 25. Then 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, right. Again in ones place, this is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 4 minus 1 is 3, so 39. Okay, right. So 6 minus 0 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, right. 8 minus 8 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, right. 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, so 4 only. Okay, pretty simple, isn't it? Let's think about how to subtract 5 from 39. 9 minus 5 is 4, 34. If you subtract 9 from 39, it will be 30. Again, we need to do some more subtractions. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1, 6. Okay, right. What about this? 8 minus 5 is 3. This is 7. Right. 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. Right. And that will be 9. Anyway, no problem. 76 minus 6 is 70. 57 minus 7, that is 50. Okay, not a great deal. Do the following subtraction. So these you can do on your own, I guess. There seems be no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now Reza had 35 papers. He gave 18 of them to Mina. How many papers are left with Reza? Okay, he gave 18. 30 and these are 5. Okay. In order to give 18, these 5 you first give to Mina, then this becomes 30. Okay, how many more needed? 13 more needed. One more 10 you give, 20 are there. Again give 3 from here in this bundle, so 10 here, 7 here, 13. Did I went wrong somewhere? I guess so. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 is there. 10 also we give. So when you give 15, it becomes 20. Yeah, give 3 out of here, this becomes 7. Okay, so 17 is the answer. How do you give 18 papers to me? 35 minus 18 is the mathematical way of writing it. Let's think about how to calculate it. How is this subtraction different from the previous one? This time we cannot remove 8 from 5 in the ones place. But we can remove 8 from 15, can't we? Yes, we can remove 8 from 15. That we can do. Okay. So let's remove uh-huh, like this. Okay. This is fair enough. Take 1 from here, from tens place. This becomes 2. Okay. When you remove 110 from 30, it becomes 20, right? So that becomes 2. 15 minus 8 is how much? See in the next step. 15 minus 8 is 7. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So anyhow the answer is going to be 17. There won't be any change in the answer. But the method, you see the method. Okay. So that method is quite difficult, right? Every time you make a bundle of 10 and bundle of 1s, that's quite cumbersome. Okay. So it's better to follow this method. Okay. Right. You have to get acquainted with this method. How is that possible? Simply practice it. 10 minus 7 is 3, right? We took 1 from 40, so that becomes 3, right? You need to strike that one down. So this becomes 3. I'm not writing the tens and all, or I don't want to make it clumsy anyway. So what I got here, if you ask me seriously, I got 2, right? Yes, fair enough. Yeah, this is what we got finally, 23. Okay. If you got a doubt whether when these two added up, is this result correct or not, you need to add this one to this one. You should get 40. 3 plus 7, 10, 0, 1 here, carry. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4, 40. So that is correct. Let's think about how to subtract 39 from 45. The method is going to be same. There won't be any difference here. Okay, because 9 is bigger than 5. You need to take 10 from here. So this becomes 3. That becomes 3. Now 15 minus 9 is 6. Alright. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So that is the answer is 6 only. Okay. Got the point? Now you can add these two up. You will get 45. No problem. Now these things of the same nature, okay, these problems of the same nature we need to solve. Here 8 is more than 6, so again you need to strike down 4, give the 10 to the ones place, and that becomes 16. Okay, now the 40 becomes 30 in the tens place. 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 28 is the answer. Okay, you got the point. Similarly, we need to strike this one down, or not up to 2, only 3 you need to strike, right? So that becomes 2. This becomes 12 minus 5, 7, right? 2 minus 1, 1, yeah, right. So this is 17. Got the point, right? So this is also 2 is also bigger than 1. You need to proceed in the similar way as usual. 10, take 10 from 10's place, it will become 5. 6 becomes 5. 11 minus 2 is 9. 6, 5 minus 3 is 2. So that is going to be the answer. Okay, right. Let me do only the last one. Don't we need not to put so much time and effort here, right? Because problems are similar. I'm striking 6 here. 15 minus 8 is 7, right? Then when I strike 6, what I need to write there? I need to write 7 minus 1, that is 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. The answer is going to be 7 alone. Okay, you can cross check if you want. Let's think about how to subtract 7 from 34. Same, the method is going to be same. 14 minus 7 is 7. 27 is the answer. This is 24 is the answer. Okay, do the following subtractions. Okay, let's do one or two. What's the big deal here? 18 minus this, I need to strike it down. I'm going to put 1 there. Okay, because I'm giving 10 here, so 15 minus 8 is 7. So that is going to be the answer. No, 1 also, 17. Okay, 1 minus 0, 1. The next one is going to be giving 110, that becomes 3, right? Yes. So 13 minus 5, 13 minus 5, 8. Yes, 13 minus 5 is 8. So this is going to be 38. Okay, right. Last one I'm going to do, all are similar. 80 minus 10 is 70, but this is 71. Okay, one less, right? So 10 minus 9 is 1. Here it is 7. Otherwise I will strike here, I will put 7 there. Okay, what's the big deal? 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 will come as it is. You have to do these things. Okay, do ourselves. So okay, so Hag went to market with 85 taka. He spent 53 taka. How much money he was left with him? I am going to write the answer directly. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3, 2. So how much money? Taka, 32 taka. That's fair enough. There are 48 students in the classroom and 26 of them are boys. How many students are girls? This is also quite silly problem. 8 minus 6 is 2 in the ones place. In the tens place it is 22. So 22 girls. Okay, there are 45 mango trees in the garden. 29 of them are fruited. How many trees are still unfruited? 29, 16 maybe. When you subtract 9 from 15, you will remain with 6, right? So 3 minus 2 is 1. So how much I told just now? 15 minus 9 is 6. So 16. Okay. Right. Right. Shaila had 10 Taka notes. She gave Moina 3 10 Taka notes. How much Taka does Shaila have? 50. Okay, 8 minus 3, 5. 5 into 10, 50. Okay. Rumi has 75 marbles and Raju had 47 marbles. How many more or less marbles does Raju have than Rumi? Less. How many marbles less? You need to subtract, right? We will subtract 47 from 75. In the ones place, 15 minus 7, that is 8. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Okay. So 28, that you need to specify less or more less. Okay. Right. Mahir has 23 storybooks. Apurba has 17 storybooks. How many more or less books does Apurba have than Mahir? Apurba have 17, right? So 17, 6. 6 less. 6 less than Mahir. Some of the age of the mother and daughter is 70. The daughter is 22 years old. How old is the mother? Then you need to subtract 22 from 70. If you subtract 20 from 70, you will get 50. If you subtract 2 from 50, you will get 40. So 48 years old. Okay, right. That is correct. Okay. Jumi is 6 years older than Rumu. Jumu is 24 years old. How old is Rumu? Zoom is 8 years older than Room. Okay. Then subtract 8 from 24. 16 years. That's it. I think we completed lesson 3. Okay. Yeah, that is over. We'll meet in the next. We will meet with the next lesson with the within with. Sorry, we will meet with the next chapter in the next session. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.